In this video, I will guide you on how to reorder Instagram carousel after posting. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, go ahead and open the Instagram carousel post. Now, if you want to reorder this, tap on these two lines. Now find the option of edit. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you simply want to long press any photo to rearrange it. So go ahead and rearrange where you want that photo to be. In this way, you can simply drag any of the images and rearrange it in a way that you want. After that, tap on the checkmark option at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. In this way, you can easily reorder Instagram carousel after posting. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.